welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating the look from Red Velvet's music video Psycho, which just came out recently. And the band member Irene, I'm going to be recreating that specific look. I'm going to throw the reference picture up right now. And let's start this video. Alright, so first I'm going to prime my face, and for that I'm using the Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Oil Controlling Primer. It's a very long name, but I really do like this primer a lot, and it just really controls the oil. It's also good to always prime your skin because it creates a barrier between your skin and the foundation. For that, today I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Acne Fighting Foundation in the shade Sand, and we're just going to be applying this. This is a very good drugstore alternative full coverage foundation. It also helps prevent breakouts, and as you guys can see, I do have some acne going on right now because of the holidays. I've been a little bit stressed, so we're just going to be using this one today. So now we're going to go and conceal our under eyes and brighten up the face, and for that I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape as I always do. So we're gonna go and just fill in our brows a little bit. For that, I'm using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil in the shade Deep Brown. I'm just gonna try to shape these brows a little bit. Just fill them in. Nothing too drastic because Miss Irene in her video, her brows are not too defined. So we don't really wanna add too much definition. Just feel the sparseness a little bit. And I'm going to go over it with some brow gel to set them, and that's it. Oh my god, I can't sing that. I'm going to get copyrighted. But literally that's all I've been listening to. I'm like obsessed. Now we're going in and taming these brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel in the shade Dark Brown. And you can find this at Sephora. We're just gonna go over it. Now this is the tinted one. I like tinted brow gels because it just adds more color and definition to your brows. If you're not a fan of tinted brow gels, they do have a clear one. Next, we are going to wipe away the bake. For that, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Lock-It Blotting Powder in the shade Medium. And we're going to be taking this with a powder brush. And just wipe away the bake. And use that to set the rest of your face. Now, it is not necessary to use one powder to wipe away another powder. But because of my oily skin, I have found that that's the best way for me to do so. So, kill two birds with one stone. Next, we're going to add some definition and color to the face. And for that, we're going to be using the Sonia Kashuk Tapered Finishing Brush. You can find this at Target. And the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in the shade Bikini Contest. One of my all-time favorites. As you guys can see, I hit pan already. Bronzer is everything. We are not contouring hard or anything like that because, once again, Miss Irene does not have contour cheeks. Therefore, we are not contouring today. We're just adding some color so that we can define the face. By the way, shout out to the makeup artist that did her makeup because it is inspiring lots of people out there to do similar looks. Now I'm also going to be using this bronzer as blush. Multitasking. So because the look of Irene in the video is very peachy, I decided that I'm going to add a little bit of blush, just a tiny bit. And for that, I'm going to be using the Flower Beauty Flower Pot blush in the shade Peach Primrose. I always have trouble saying this, but this is the blush. It's just a peachy satin blush. We're just gonna add this to our cheeks just a little bit to add some color to the face. I like to put some blush at the tip of my nose as well, because I feel like when somebody blushes naturally, your nose also turns a bit flushed as well. So there we have it. Now once again, because of the reference picture that I'm using from the Psycho video, Irene does not have, or doesn't seem to have, any highlight on her cheeks as well. So I am going to skip highlighter altogether, and I'm just gonna go straight into the eyes. I'm gonna prime my eyes, and for that I'm gonna be using a bit of concealer. You can use an eyeshadow primer if you prefer that. However, Tarte Shape Tape is pretty matte, and I like to put a matte base on my eyes so that my shadow doesn't crease. Next, we're going to set the eyeshadow primer with the blotting powder from Kat Von D. Gotta set it in place and forget it. Alright, so we're gonna go in with our eyes, and for that we're gonna be using the Baby Got Peach palette from ColourPop, and it has all these beautiful peachy tones which are very similar to what Irene is wearing on the video. We're gonna go in with the shade Darling right over here in the corner, and I'm just gonna use this as a transition shade. Picking up another brush, we're gonna go in with the shade Half Baked right here, the bottom one, and this is just gonna add some definition in the outer corner of our eyes. Alright, so next we're gonna go with the shade Get Even right here. It's a shimmer shade, and we're going to use our fingertip to apply this on our lid. Now this is gonna add a sheen to our lid, but it's not exactly what Miss Irene has on her lid, because she has glitter. We're gonna get to that point where we're just gonna add this as a base for that specific glitter. So let's go in. We're gonna grab our blending brush one more time, and we're gonna go around the edges and blend this out so that we don't have harsh lines. Alright, so for the glitter today, we're going to dip into the Orange You Glad palette by ColourPop, and it's an orange palette. And we're gonna go in with the shade Clementine right here, and it's just an orangey glitter, which is perfect for this look. And we're going to pick it up with our fingers and just gently push it into the middle of our eye. Now we're going to go in back to the Baby Got Peach palette, which was the original palette we started using. And we're going to go in with the shade Darling one more time. And we're going to go and blend this on the lower lash line. Next, we're going to go back in with the shade Half Baked, which we also use on our eyes, and we're going to brush this on our lower lash lines as well. Make sure you tap off the excess. Now we're going to add the glitter that we used on our eyes to our lower lash line, back again with the Orange You Glad palette by ColourPop and the shade Clementine or Clementine, depending on how you pronounce it. We're going to pick that up with a very dense brush. Alright, so the eyes are done. We're going to go straight to the lips. Now, once again, with the reference picture from Irene on the Psycho video, I couldn't tell exactly whether or not her lips were more orange or pinky. So I decided to work with these two different colors and see how it comes out. I have the Ofra Cosmetics Miami Fever shade, and then I have this Armani Lip Maestro in the shade 206, and we're just going to try to recreate that lip look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. For the lip, I did go with the Lip Maestro by Armani, and then I blotted the lip out with the Baby Got Peach palette, so I went in and just kind of like painted over the lip, and it just gave me the right shade that I was looking for. So this is the look. Very glittery, glitter under your eyes, glitter on top, very orange, popsicle looking, and you basically just slayed the Psycho game. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys check out Red Velvet online. Check out their Psycho video so you can see this look play out on that music video. Make sure you leave your comments down below and let me know what you guys think. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, because why not? If you're still here, make sure you subscribe. That way you'll get every single notification when I post a new video. Also, hit that like button because it helps me out and it tells me that you guys are watching. So thank you so much for watching. Till next time, make sure you stay tuned. Bye-bye.